At Salisbury Accountants and Business Advisors, we believe that good business advice is not just about numbers. It's partnering with business owners to solve personal, operational, and strategic challenges.
Hi everyone. In this strange and bizarre time that we're living right now, I'm sure everyone is aware, and we certainly are here at Salisbury's, that there are a lot of people who are struggling with the stresses, the uncertainty, and the financial strain that's being placed on them by the pandemic. And that's not easy. It's not easy for anyone to deal with. So we've been chatting internally here as to what we can do to assist and help out. And what we'd like to do is provide a free of charge half-hour soundboarding session with myself, which will provide for those business owners who are struggling an opportunity to bounce around, discuss, talk about the challenges that they're facing, and get a independent third-party perspective on them that hopefully will be of some assistance. If this is something of interest to you, then please contact our office on 02 6041 3014. And look, if you are struggling, then please know that it's okay. Mental health is a real challenge. So if you are not feeling okay, then reach out, talk to someone, or visit websites such as the Black Dog Institute or Beyond Blue or Are You OK Day to get some information and help to help you through this. So it's not something you can do alone. We are here to help. So as I said, please look after yourself. We'll speak to you soon. Thanks.